This is the Comgrow filament dryer. It comes packaged pretty well with these foam inserts so as not to break anything during transit. It comes with the dryer, power supply, and some basic instructions. The dryer is pretty lightweight, but it still feels nice and sturdy, and it has a really nice on-screen display. Very simple controls. You just have setting, temperature, and how long you want the dryer to be on. It will also display the humidity inside of the box. The heater is super quiet and the air kind of circulates around the spools. It's wide enough to hold two standard spools, but has a little bit of wiggle room to support wider cardboard ones too. When you're drying, you use these two clasps as a spacer to kind of let the humidity escape while drying. You don't seal it up while you're drying it. You need a way for the humidity to escape. Once it's dry, you can snap these down and you can kind of lock it in so it has a controlled environment for storage. Alternatively, you can use these filament holes to feed directly to your 3D printer, which is a really nice feature. There's two holes on the top and two on the front. It's a pretty small footprint, so it can easily be tucked away and it really doesn't get in the way. You can see the size of it in comparison to my printer and, of course, my hand here. I'm really happy with this dryer. I use it mostly to breathe a little bit of life back into some old filament. I also live in the Pacific Northwest, so humidity can be a problem, so this really is a great solution. If you're looking for a filament dryer, I think this is a really great purchase.